Welcome to our guide on how to disable views notifications for published pins on Pinterest using your PC. If you find the constant notifications distracting, follow these simple steps to regain control over your Pinterest experience. First, open your web browser and navigate to Pinterest.com. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on the Pinterest homepage, look to the left side menu where you'll see various options. Next, locate the gear icon. This icon represents your settings. Click on it to access your account settings. In the Settings menu, you will find several categories. Click on Settings to proceed. Now, within the Settings page, find the Notifications section. This is where you can manage all your notification preferences. Look for the subsection labeled Pins You Published. Here you will see an option for Views. Click on Views, and this will take you to a new set of options regarding notifications for the pins you've published. You will see a toggle for push notifications. To disable these notifications, simply click on the toggle switch so that it turns off. Once you have disabled push notifications for views, make sure to click on Save at the bottom of the page. This step is crucial as it ensures that your changes are applied and that you won't receive further notifications about views on your published pins. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully disabled views notifications for your published pins on Pinterest. Now, you can enjoy a more focused experience without those pesky alerts interrupting your creative flow. Remember, managing your notifications can greatly enhance your time spent on Pinterest, allowing you to concentrate on what truly matters, creating and sharing amazing content. Thank you for watching, and happy pinning.